Hello everyone, and today we come back again, look into my uh, experiment, investing experiment. Since I was making this video in Cambodia, and now the price actually came down a little bit more to 76 now. So now 76.96. So I'm losing a little bit more money, but it's okay. We bought when at 82 and for for 400 share for Solana. And when it went in May, we actually gained $6,000, and we actually sold some. And when it come back down, we bought some, and now we gain actually 3 share. So even though we gained 3 share, but we lost in dollar value about $1,600. But like all together, our like, and we lost our gain too. We lost about $7,700. So, but it's a risk asset. So, and the price definitely volatile. But like at the end of this month, I expect from 80 to 90. So we're gonna come back at the end of the month, and August it might go to 100, 80, 90, or 100. We'll see. And at the end of the year might be go to 100, 110, or 120, or it just stay to 80, 92. It depends on how the market is. But it seems like the inflation is cooling down and the Fed doesn't raise interest rates. So I'm looking that we might in a bull market somewhere, and the bull market push the price to 120. So we'll see. And if that happen, it will double the lowest price. It will double the lower price, and I make like 50%. It will go to 120. So, and our experiment, see, at the very end of the year, I wonder like if we make any money or we lose any money. And the other experiment, let's see, like from all-time high to all-time high. So how long does it take? 1 year, 2 year, or 3 year? In this case, it seems like take 3 year to went back to all-time high, but this case it like take 1 year. So we'll see after this bear run and see how long it's gonna take to come up to all-time high. So those are the three experiments. And it seems like today Ethereum doing well. It went up. Wait, let me see. Today, Solana not doing well. Ethereum actually doing really well. Bitcoin, it's in the red also. It's coming down. So, and look at PKW. It actually went up a little bit to 143. PKW have 100. This ETF have 100 company that doesn't like to have free cash flow around. So when they have free cash flow, they use some of them to do the stock buyback. So it increase the stock price. S&P 500, the top 500 public company in America today also doing well. Dow Jones Industry have 30 company and Google is one of them. Nasdaq Composite. I think this is the only company that has SpaceX in it, and it doing really well. Gold today it was on green, went up, and then it came back down, but it's still higher than $4,040. So oil price it's around $80. It's still good. It's not back up to 120. That's good news. And SpaceX, we see now the price is 135, 135. So this is one of the lower price that I seen it come down. And let's see the news for today. The U.S. inflation cools, reducing expectations for a Fed rate hike. June core inflation unexpectedly declined, lowering the annual core inflation rate to about 2.6%. Treasury yields fell as investors increased expectation that the Federal Reserve will keep rates unchanged this month. Major Wall Street banks report strong earnings. Goldman Sachs, BlackRock, and Morgan Stanley all post better than expected quarterly results. Trading revenue, IPO activity, and asset management fees remain strong. PayPal jumps on acquisition reports. So somebody gonna buy PayPal. And when when somebody acquire, like some company acquire the other company, the target company usually do the gain. In this case, the target company is PayPal. Shares surged after reports that Stripe and Advent International offer approximately 53 billion to acquire the company, applying premium for shareholders. ASML boosts AI optimism. The Dutch semiconductor equipment maker beat earnings estimates and raised its full-year sales outlook, reinforcing continued strength in AI-related chip spending. So AI is still doing really well. Oil price remain elevated. Crude oil traded above 80 to $85. Now oil price is about $80, so that's good. It's not 285 a barrel as tension between US and Iran continued and threatened global energy supplies. Higher oil price remain a key inflation risk. 6. Stocks poised for higher open. US stock futures move higher as investors welcome softer inflation data and strong corporate earnings despite ongoing geopolitical risk. European Union consider easing banking regulations. EU policymakers are discussing loosening certain capital requirements to improve the competitiveness of European banks, although critics warn this could weaken safeguards put in place after the global financial crisis. This one happened 2008, 2009, 2009, yeah. British pound reached 1 year high. Sterling strengthened against both the euro and the US dollar after reports that a fiscally conservative finance minister may be appointed, boosting investor confidence. Treasury and Financial Stability Oversight Council met. The U.S. Treasury held a Financial Stability Oversight Council meeting while also announcing additional sanctions target networks of supporting Iran and other financial initiatives. Gold hold near record high. Gold remain close historic high despite easing inflation as continue as investors continue to seek protection against geopolitical uncertainty and market volatility. However, like what I say, near all-time high, the goal is not really that near all-time high. So we look at 1 year, the all-time high at 5,300. So it about 1,300 from all-time high. I think close to closer to last year low. So I wouldn't say they're close to all-time high. But it went up a little bit, then it came back down. So for 1 year, for 1 day goal, it actually went up a little bit, but it's still coming back down. So gold's not doing that good right now. Everyone, thank you for watching, and we're gonna continue to monitor my experiment and see if at the end of the year we can make any money or we lose some money. And also another experiment to see how long it's gonna take to go back up into all-time high 240 or 50. 240 I'm happy. So the last time it take a year and before that it take 3 years. So we'll see this time it take 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. All right, everyone. Thank you for watching and we can monitor it together and I will just keep talking almost every day until at the end of the year and see. And then we can keep monitoring until Solana go back up to $240. All right, thank you very much. Bye bye.